Hello, and welcome to the first segment of UI Health News. I'm Dr. Bob Barish, the new Vice Chancellor for Health Affairs at UIC. I realize that every day we receive forms of communication, and this is going to be a new segment that we hope that you will like in the future. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how this position has changed since January 1st of 2016. This office now, where I'm filming from, now oversees the 7 health science colleges, as well as the hospital, the 22 outpatient clinics, and the 12 federally qualified health centers, what we refer to as Mile Square. Now, people have asked me, why do you call it Mile Square? And the history is that in this area, in this 1 square mile, were the worst health statistics of the United States. Thus, it was very apropos that the modern healthcare center that we now run be named Mile Square. Prior to coming here, I was the chancellor for almost 7 years at the LSU Health Sciences Center in Shreveport, Louisiana, where I oversaw the colleges of medicine, graduate school, as well as applied health sciences, and the largest university teaching hospital in the state of Louisiana, and 2 other hospitals in eastern Louisiana and central Louisiana. So I think that position kind of well prepared me for what I'm seeing here in Chicago. People often ask me, well, what was one of the first things you learned about Chicago? Well, I have to tell you, I was at an event and I was asked a question, who are you going to root for, the Cubs or the White Sox? And I soon realized that people know you're not from Chicago if you say, I root for the Cubs, I root for the Sox, and I also put ketchup on my hot dogs. So now I know that those are 3 things I can't say in one sentence. So what am I most proud of, and what you should be most proud of? First of all, we've rebranded ourselves as UI Health, and anybody who knows marketing knows it was very hard to say the name of the hospital 5 times fast. University of Illinois Hospital and Health Sciences System just didn't roll off the tongue. So now UI Health is our marketing brand for the colleges as well as the delivery system, including the hospital clinics and the FQHCs. We've certainly had a smooth transition into this position. Thank you for welcoming myself and my family. I feel like it's a little bit like the South, where the Midwestern hospitality is just wonderful to see. Couple things. You should be proud of U.S. News and World Report rankings, where you moved up from number 27 to number 8 in the state of Illinois, as well as the Chicagoland. Better housing and through housing the homeless is something that's received national recognition. Our new opening of the Pilsen Clinic almost 6 weeks ago, where we're serving a very vibrant community and one of the fastest growing communities in Chicago. We're very, very proud of that. And importantly, we're doing research in precision medicine, population health sciences, and we were just recently rewarded with a wonderful grant on precision medicine in conjunction with the University of Chicago and the University of Northwestern University, beating out many, many prestigious institutions. What about the goals? Well, the goals have clearly been articulated by your CEO, Dr. Ghosh, and they're all on the website to see. Again, we've started interprofessional education, and we had one of the most remarkable speakers just last week who came to speak to us about disabilities. And she had our inaugural event, and we're very, very proud that we're going to lead interprofessional education here through my office. Our community assessment needs, where we looked at what can we do for the community, and you'll be hearing more about that. So in closing, this is our first UI Health segment that we're filming. In the future, I'm going to be on the other side of this camera actually asking questions to a number of our experts. You're going to find out a lot of interesting things about our campus, and we'll have an opportunity to actually also ask me questions and that I can give to my guests. One final comment before I leave. In 1908 was the last time the Cubs won the World Series. The ball field was on the campus of where the University of Illinois College of Medicine is, and it was also where the Psychiatric Institute was for Cook County, and the term out of left field came from the fact that the psychiatric patients used to jeer and cheer the players while they came on the field. So that's a little known fact. There's a plaque right in front of the College of Medicine that you should all visit. So with that, I'll end. Thank you for viewing into UI Health News, and we look forward to future segments and I look forward to working with all of you. Thank you.